Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and are you sick of fingerprints all over your screen devices? Well, so am I, but let me tell you what has solved my problem. This amazing screen cleaner from Scosch. This thing is absolutely awesome. It's so compact, it's so convenient, and I can clean my screens whether at home or on the go. What I love about this is it is an all-in-one solution. It has the spray solution right inside that is refillable, and it also has a microfiber cloth that is wrapped around the outside, which I can use to wipe down my screens. This screen cleaner is so convenient. I have a little one and then also just my own fingerprints that get all over my phone, our tablets, even our car screens, and I am able to use this screen cleaner to just give it a few sprays and a couple quick wipes, and our screens are as good as new. It does come with a nice protective case, which I appreciated because it keeps that microfiber cloth on the outside protected. I also really like that this has a refillable container, so once this solution is gone, which let's face it, it's going to be gone quick, my screens are dirty, I can just refill it with some more solution and use it again. All I have to do with this is spray, wipe, and the fingerprints are gone. This screen cleaner is a must-have. It's absolutely genius and so useful, but that's just my point of view.